Hey, this will be a video chart on MMTE. Bunch of requests have been coming in on this one, rightfully so. Chart's really taken off again after going through a consolidation period that I know was kind of getting on some people's nerves, but at the end of the day, it has proven to be healthy. And now those people that hung in and were accumulating shares during this portion here are reaping the rewards of that. So we'll just dig right in. This line you see here was from the last time I did the video chart. So if we just extend this out, it'll kind of still point out what was going on. So what we had basically take shape here was a symmetrical triangle. And then if you wanted to draw kind of a flagpole here somewhere, you could then call it a bull pennant. So for argument's sake, we're just going to call it a symmetrical triangle pattern that we had. And this was formed simply by this uptrending line here, which was our support, and then we had our resistance line here. And actually, if we go and look there, you can see that yesterday the price closed right below that key level of resistance, but then today, the price exploded up through there and was completely supported by volume, which is always a good thing. And the important part about this volume bar is sure, we've had some big volume bars like this before, but you have to keep in mind what prices they occurred at. So, this big volume bar here occurred down in the, 0.0025 range. This big one was down in the, 0.001 range. So this one, which was actually still bigger than all these other ones, occurred at a much higher price, which means the dollar volume here has been probably the biggest it's been, in a long time. Possibly maybe this was a record-setting day for dollar volume. So, just a lot of good things going for the chart. So going forward, what do we want to see continue to happen? Well, now that the price is closed up above this level here, this line, we want to see it hopefully be able to hold now as support. Now, if it doesn't hold and the price falls below it, at the end of the day, the key level that we want to continue to see hold is going to be right down here at the 50-day simple moving average. You can see that here the bears try to push down below it, but the bulls held strong and provided a nice bounce there, and then actually formed a hammer candle, and then had a doji, and then things really started hammer out. So, in a nutshell, the ideal support level would be this support line or this former resistance line right here. So right now that's right about 0.0034. Or 0.0033, right in that range. But for the overall support level, that's going to be this 50-day simple moving average right here, which is valued at 0.0022 right now. In terms of resistance levels, the chart's basically in a blue sky breakout. Short-term wise, we are going to have one up here at 0.0045. That's just simply because that is where the profit takers decided to step in today, and they hit it kind of hard. It dropped it all the way back down there, but at the end of the day, people are in the market to make money, and that's how you do it, is by locking in profits. So congratulations to those people that took it out there. But like I said, in the grand scheme of things, as long as the price can maintain above the 50-day simple moving average here, then the chart is going to remain bullish, and going to look well, when people pull it up on their scanners. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was MMTE. Thanks for listening.